Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping fine. Our new chapter is verbs. In the last class, we have learned what is the verbs. How do you use is, am, are, has, and have. So today, let's see from page number 38 was, were, had, can, cannot, should not. From page number 38, 39, and 40. My dear students, please look at your book and follow after me. Here, was, were, had. Was, were, and had are also verbs. These three words are also verbs. We use was and were in place of is and are when we talk about something that happened in the past. Already had happened, already we did, already it is past. So that time we use was and were in place of is and are. Example, Jaya was happy that day. Means already she was happy last day, means already past. They were upstairs a little while ago. A little while ago they were in the upstairs, but right now they are not there. We use was with singular verbs. When it is a single, then we are using was with the singular verbs. Example, I was sleepy. She was laughing. He was playing football. We use were with plural nouns. Plural means more than one. So that time we are using were. Example, they were sleepy. We were playing football. We use had in place of has or have to talk about something that happened in the past. We are using had in the place of has or have when we are talking something already it has happened, that has already happened in the past, that time we are using had. We use had with both singular and plural nouns. When it is a single or a plural, that time we are using had in both. Example, Mummy had a pet goat when she was small. When her mummy was small, she had a pet goat. My grandparents had many animals on their farm. Next, you can see here can, cannot, should not. Can, cannot, should, and should not are also verbs. Like here, was, were, and had are also verbs. Same thing, can, cannot, should, and should not are also verbs. Can is used to show the ability to do something which we can do. That ability that we have, that we can do, that time we are using can. Example, I can ride a bicycle. I can swim, I can play, I can write, I can run. All these are the examples. Cannot is used to show an inability to do something that you don't have, you cannot do that. Inability, that you cannot do something, that time we are using cannot. Like, I cannot drive a car, I cannot ride a horse, I cannot jump from the mountain, I cannot play the piano. All these are the examples which we doesn't have an inability. Should and should not are used to give advice or instruction. When we are advising to someone or giving instruction, then we are using should and should not. We should drink milk every day. We are giving suggestion or instruction or giving advice to someone, that time we are using all these words. We should not waste water. Now see in the page number 40, there is contractions. What is contractions? Sometimes we join two words together by dropping a letter or letters. We add an apostrophe in place of the missing letters. We call these words contractions. there are some common contractions. So here contractions means when we are joining two words together, that time we are dropping a letter or letters, and we used to add an apostrophe in place of those missing letters. So those words are called contractions, and here are some of the common contractions. So let's see what are they. I plus will, these two words, when we are joining together, then we are dropping some letters from here, then it will become contraction. The word will be I'll, I apostrophe LL. So here it is W and I is missing, so in place of that we are using apostrophe. Do plus not is equal to don't. I plus am is equal to am. Will plus not is equal to won't. So here these are the contractions. So my dear students, please go through once again what is a noun, what is contractions, how to use is, am, are, has and have, were, had, can, cannot, should not. All these things please go through once again. Till then, take care. Thank you.